This is my dog, guys. Don't worry with the background. That's my baby sister Emma's video. This is Marshmallow. Marshmallow. This is Marshmallow.
Oh no, I said it out loud, didn't I? Security! Security!
Okay. This is Marshmallow. This is our real design. Yes, she should be real, not AI. This is what her POV right now looks like. If you look closely, I don't know what she's looking at. But Marshmallow, this is your belly. I want yeah, marshmallow. Marshmallow. Oh yeah, marshmallow. Marshmallow.
My blood, it's being drained.
Oh, marshmallow. Wash my belly, clean my belly, clean my belly. Oh, you okay, girl? Oh, look at her. This is Marshmallow.
He's the only doctor here, Janu.
This is Marshmallow.
Okay. What do we do now?
This is Marshmallow's belly.
I deliver the babies? Want me to catch them?
Oh, yeah, that's Marshmallow.
I watch a lot of birth videos.
Marshmallow, what are you doing?
Are you insane?
Oh my god.
Call Mira now.
Right. Mira. I got it. I'll call Mira.
Hurry up.
Look at that.
I'm in the middle of my
Look at that. That's Marshmallow. Alright.
Of course. Classic Rumi Genie.
Oh, yeah, Marshmallow. Yeah!
Oh, thank God.
Marshmallow.
Yeah. I'm here. Now get out, Janu. Let me do my job.
Let me get...
Genu, get out. If you want the twins
Oh,
safe,
yeah, that's
you
Marshmallow.
do exactly what I say.
Okay, fine. I'll be right outside. Just, call me if anything explodes.
Go now. Ugh. All right, it's just you and me now, girl. Time to get these little vampires.
That's Marshmallow, right. Also, this is not abuse. I'm petting her.
Hurry.
I'm literally petting her, okay?
I'm working on
Because
it.
some people think I'm doing bad things to her, but I'm not. I'm trying to pet her. Because she's a good girl.
I've got scissors.
Okay, guys. Thank you for watching my video. And rewatch this video so I can get more subscribers and likes.